Hi everyone, I got my new Diamond Art Club box in today, so I thought we'd open it up, if I can get this open. So, come on, there we go. Okay, Diamond Art Club does a good job of taping everything up. Oh, here we go, there's that. Anything else in here? No. Alright, this one is, if I get it in there, here we go. This is A Moment on Memory Lane. It is a round with ABs, and it is, let's see, 28 by 22 inches, 71 by 56 centimeters. So, let's go ahead and get in. It looks like part of my box got crunched. Come on. Alright. Get it in here. Alright, here are the drills. Wow, pretty colors. Okay. Come on. There we go. So, here's the sticker. Okay. That's really nice. I think we've only got two. They're under one. I'm not sure. Looks like 133. And we got plenty of 5200s. How many blacks? You have any 310s? Yeah, we do. Okay. Let's see here. Boy, this one doesn't want to get opened either. Okay, here we go. Put it in the camera. I have not seen anyone else unbox this yet, but I fell in love the first time I saw it. Oh, this is going to be confetti hell. Oh, this is huge. Well, I don't know if it's huge. Wow. Let me see if I can stand back. Wow. This is a lot of confetti. Alright, let me see if I can get this up. Come on. Sorry. Get this off. There we go. Alright, let's see if we get a better look at this. Move this over. Wow. That's gorgeous. But yeah, let's see. You can see this is all confetti. Yep, there goes something on here. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is very confetti heavy. It's gorgeous though. Wow, look at the car, the truck, the leaves, the house. Yeah, this is, I fell in love with this, you know, first time I saw it. I was like, I have to have this. So this comes across as beautiful, beautiful. Now, let's see if I can put this on here. And we can go through the drills. Oops, come on, don't fall over. There we go. All right. As I said, there are 42 colors. Wow. Okay. So let's go through. Let's go through the drills here. Oh, wow. Okay, 138 is an AB. Oh, here. Let's move it back over. Oh, I love the truck, the car, and the trees, and the houses. All right, let's go through these and get them open. All right. So, obviously there's going to be a lot of reds and oranges, so that's a long string. Here we go. All right. Got a beautiful brown. Let me see. There we go. Brown, 413. It looks like a gray green. If we got 10s, how many? Oh, we only have one bag of 3 10s. Oh, that'll make it nice. 414, 318, 742. Oh, look at the pretty yellow. 948 is a cream. 37.99. What color? Is that like a charcoal? I think it's a charcoal. Here we go. Come on. 814 is kind of a reddish brown, maroon. 938 is a brown. 3023 is a beautiful green. Maybe that's for the truck. 3861. 740. Look at the beautiful orange. We only have one bag of 740. Okay. 3024. Okay, here's one of the ABs. 133. Got okay, 2 bags of 133. Beautiful, beautiful orange. That's gonna sparkle. 3860 is another kind of a brownish purple. 321. Beautiful, beautiful red. It's kind of hard to see the real colors here. Okay, 2 bags of 498. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's go through this one. Okay, 434. Another beautiful kind of a mustard color. Oh, wow, beautiful purple. Where's the purple at? Okay, another green. Green's got to be for 915. Beautiful red, purpley red. 550. Oh, that's a pretty purple. I don't think I've seen a 550. 415. 3787. Oh, what a pretty yellow. 3855. Oh, that's a really pretty purple too. 327. 154, I think, is a brown. Another beautiful green. 937. 935 is kind of a pine green. Oops. 5200. Only have one bag of 5200. 934 is another green. 3770 is kind of a cream color. 400, another brown. 317. 754. 30. Come on, 3864. There we go. Wow, we just have the one? I guess so, just the one AB, just the orange. Okay. What one is the orange? Is 133. That is a number 1. Okay, so that is let's see if I can find them. Obviously they're going to be in the trees, but let's see here. For number 1s. Yeah. Here we go. Let's get it in here. See if we can find some 1s. Here we go. There's some 1s. There we go. Those will all go in the trees. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Look at the car and the truck and everything. If this is your thing, it is truly beautiful. If you hate confetti, this is not for you. But it's going to look stunning when it's done. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. The colors are beautiful. It's a beautiful fall color. It's a beautiful street. And it's absolutely stunning. I can't do this right now because I've got other projects going on. But oh, there's a truck in the background here too. I got a beautiful truck, and a car. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.